Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to pay in a store with the Venmo app without a card. Let's get started. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and go to the settings menu. You can find it by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then selecting the gear icon for settings. Next, look for the option labeled Identity Verification and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. You'll likely need to provide some personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. In some cases, Venmo might also ask you to upload a photo of your ID. Complete the verification process and wait for Venmo to confirm your identity. Once your account is verified, you'll be able to use your Venmo balance directly without needing to link a debit card or bank account. If you still prefer to link a payment method, you have the option to add a bank account or an American Express account. However, if you want to use only your Venmo balance, you can now do so without any additional payment methods attached. That's all you need to know about using Venmo without a card. Thanks for watching.